So today I spent the whole day out here at the steel shop making funny shaped hangers, and one end here to close up the open end of that hanger for the header in the closet. So tomorrow I'll clean these up, paint them a nice flat black, and install them. So I've got the funny shaped beam hangers. I'll paint it up. Time to put them in place and drill holes in them and bolt them in. Got my drills here. I think I could use a couple more. Now our experimental aircraft hanger. And the other one. Now here we have to go at kind of a ridiculous angle to get to a bit of structure of the dome. So we need a bit more length, and I have that in these fancy expensive Fasten Master leg screws. From the other side.